Envision a realm where your professional connections expand, not just daily, but moment by moment. Welcome to the transformative world of referral networks, the bedrock of exponential professional growth. These networks, a mesh of trust-based connections, extend your reach far beyond your immediate contacts, enabling access to opportunities and like-minded professionals that were once out of reach. In the following exploration, we'll uncover the strategies for building and maximizing these networks, setting the stage for a remarkable expansion of your professional influence. Let's commence this journey together, unlocking the vast potential within your professional realm. At the core of every successful professional journey lies an often underrated powerhouse, the referral network. Moving beyond the foundational layer into the development phase, crafting your influence web emerges as a pivotal growth catalyst. It starts with identifying potential allies who share your values and aspirations within and beyond your circle. Yet, initiating connections is merely the first step. Crafting memorable and meaningful interactions, whether through articulate emails, impactful social media engagements, or compelling conversations, forms the crux of your networking strategy. The essence of durable connections, however, lies in the value exchange. Not just in seeking benefits, but in offering tangible value, fostering a cycle of mutual support and enrichment. In today's interconnected digital landscape, social media stands as a critical channel for showcasing expertise and supporting others, amplifying your reach and impact. By intertwining identification, communication, and contribution, we strengthen our professional web, setting the stage for unprecedented influence and communal success. As we culminate our exploration, it's imperative to understand the transformation of a contact list into a robust engine of mutual growth. The true worth of your network is measured not by its size, but by the depth of relationships, the quality of exchanges, and the mutual advancements achieved. Beyond periodic interactions, maintaining these bonds demands genuine investment in others' success. The art of seeking referrals transcends mere transactions. It's a recognition of your network's value. Contributing back solidifies your esteemed place within this network, fostering a culture of shared success. As we conclude, remember, the journey doesn't end here. With these insights in hand, continue to cultivate and leverage your network with purpose, planting the seeds for a flourishing professional future. Together, we can achieve more, embodying the adage that in the realm of success, unity breeds strength.